Hi there, we're Calvert Roofing LLC. If you want to visit us, we are located in Huntingtown, Maryland. Let me show you what we're good for. Well, I have news for you. We are a roof contractor and have all the options you need for your roof. Not sure what do you need? Maybe a brand new roof or just some repairs or maintenance. Let the professionals do the job. We can make an inspection to your roof and let you know what's best for your budget. Our priority is always our customers, so don't worry. We promise you will get the best materials and honest and hard workers professionals to do the hard work for you. If you're interested in knowing more about us, you can also visit our website or give us a call and get a free estimate. Don't hesitate in getting in touch with us. We would love to help you. Have a good one.